Hello children, in this video we will cover the explanation of poem Why. So let's begin its first stanza. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by the by. In this stanza, the poet says that he knows a curious little boy who is always asking questions about anything and everything. He is very eager to know everything. He keeps on asking why this, why that, why now, and why not, and other questions about everything he comes across. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. In this stanza, the poet describes the queries of the little boy. He asks questions like why does wood swim in water, why lead and marble sink in it. His imaginations are strong and he has good observation skills. Now third stanza, he wants to know that what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. In this stanza, the poet tells that the boy wants to know about clouds, why they are in the sky, why do they move up in the sky. He also wants to know that at sunset, why does the sun disappear behind the hills, and what is the reason that the pretty flowers die all of a sudden. Now last stanza, fourth one. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. In this stanza, the poet says that some of these questions are not difficult to answer. We just need to think about that it can satisfy the child's curiosity. In this poem, the little boy speaks out all his queries. His inquisitive mind shows his intelligence. I hope children you have understood this poem.